Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful investment strategy that can help you navigate the often unpredictable world of cryptocurrency, dollar cost averaging or DCA. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the volatility of crypto markets, this approach might just be the solution you're looking for. So, what exactly is dollar cost averaging? In simple terms, DCA involves investing a fixed amount of money into a particular asset at regular intervals, regardless of its price. This means that whether the market is soaring or dipping, you're consistently buying in. It's a strategy that can help reduce the impact of volatility and lower the average cost of your investments over time. One of the key benefits of DCA is that it takes the emotion out of investing. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a price surge or the panic of a sudden drop. With DCA, you stick to your plan and invest consistently, which can lead to more rational decision-making. This disciplined approach can be especially beneficial in the fast-paced world of crypto, where prices can fluctuate dramatically in a matter of hours. Another advantage of dollar cost averaging is that it encourages a long-term perspective. Instead of trying to time the market, an often futile endeavor, DCA allows you to focus on your overall investment strategy. By committing to regular investments, you're more likely to ride out the market's ups and downs, ultimately positioning yourself for potential growth over time. Now, let's talk about some practical tips for implementing DCA in your crypto investments. First, choose a specific amount that you're comfortable investing regularly. This could be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, whatever fits your financial situation best. Next, select the cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. It's wise to do your research and consider diversifying your portfolio to spread risk. Once you've set your investment schedule, consider using automated tools or platforms that allow you to set up recurring purchases. This way, you can ensure that you're sticking to your DCA plan without having to remember to make manual transactions each time. Many exchanges offer this feature, making it easier than ever to stay consistent. In conclusion, dollar cost averaging can be a powerful tool for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrency. By reducing emotional decision-making and promoting a long-term investment mindset, DCA can help you navigate the complexities of the crypto market with greater confidence. Remember, investing is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips on navigating the world of tech and finance. Happy investing!